Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. In today's episode, on some applications of trigonometry, we are going to see few more questions. This is part 6. Previously, we have uploaded 5 parts, and the links of all these 5 parts are given in the description box. You go through all the 5 parts so that you will come to know that the types of questions that are asked in the examination and how to deal with such questions. So please watch all those 5 episodes and also watch the coming episodes also. Here we will move to the first question of this episode. So here is the first question on the screen. An observer, very simple question, 1.5 meter tall, is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. What is the height of the chimney? Friends, it is said that an observer, CD is an observer whose height is 1.5 meter and AB is a chimney whose height we have to find. So first we will assume that the height of the chimney is h meter and the height of that observer is 1.5 meter, and it is also said that an observer is standing 28.5 meter away the chimney. It means the distance BD is 28.5 and the angle of elevation from point C, that is from the observer's eye to the top of the chimney, is given as 45 degree, and we have to find the height of the chimney. Friends, this is 1.5 meter, so this opposite side will be also equal and it will be 1.5 meter. This is also 1.5 meter. And when this is 28.5 meter dB, this CE is also 28.5 meter. Now we will take this triangle ACE. In triangle ACE, we have tan 45 is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So opposite is AE upon CE is the adjacent. So here this total length is H and BE is 1.5. So this AE will be H minus 1.5. This will be what? AE will be H minus 1.5. So opposite side is H minus 1.5. So tan theta, that is tan 45, which is equal to H minus 1.5 upon 28.5. We know that tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to H minus 1.5 upon 28.5. And now very simple, solve this further to get the value of H. So it will be cross multiply. Take 28.5 to this side, so it will be 28.5 into 1, that will be 28.5, that is equal to H minus 1.5. Take 1.5 to this side, it will become 1 plus 1.5, so it is H is equal to 28.5 plus 1.5, that will be 29, and 1, that is 30 meter. So it will be 30 meter. And so friends, the height of the chimney is 30 meter. So write the answer. The height of a chimney is equal to 30 meter. So this is the answer, and you have to write the answer at the end, because the answer carries half mark weightage. If you do not write the answer, your half marks will be deducted. If you do not write even the unit, your half mark will be deducted. Now let us move the second question of this episode. The question is on the screen. A tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Due to storm, a tree, AC is a tree, it breaks at one point and falls down, and this top touches the point D. The top of the broken part touches the point D at a distance of 8 meters from the foot of the tree. So here the distance from the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. We have to find the height of the tree. This broken part that touches the ground at point D, and the distance between the foot of the tree and this point where the top of the tree touches is 8 meters, and it makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Let BC is Y, where this BC is Y, this height is Y, where the tree is broken, and this AB is X. So we are taking AB as X and BC as Y. When this part breaks down and touches the ground, this is X. So this part is the same as that of the AB, because same part is this BD, and therefore this is X. So this length will also be X. So here in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, cos 30, cos of 30, that is equal to cos 30, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is 8 upon X. But cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which is equal to 8 upon X. Now here take X to this side, so it will be X root 3, which is equal to take 2 to this side, so it will be 2 8s are 16. So X root 3 is equal to 16. So take root 3 to other side, so it will go to the denominator, and so it is X is equal to 16 upon root 3. 16 upon root 3. Now here you have got this distance X, AB distance you have got. Let this be number 1. Now the second part I solve here on this side. So now I take tan 30 because we have to find Y. Y is the opposite side, and we know the adjacent side, that is 8 meters. So opposite and adjacent, that relation is given by tan theta or the cot theta. So here I am taking tan theta, so tan 30 that is equal to tan 30 degree, which is equal to opposite, that is Y, upon adjacent, that is 8. So tan 30, the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, which is equal to Y upon 8. Take 8 to this side, so you will get Y is equal to 8 upon root 3. So the total height of the tree will be what? X plus Y. AB plus BC will give you the total height of the tree. AB we are taking as X, and BC we are taking as Y. Therefore AB is equal to AB, which is equal to AC, this total distance AC, that is equal to X plus Y. So what is X? X is 16 upon root 3, 16 upon root 3, plus Y is 8 upon root 3. Here both the denominators are same, and therefore the LCM will be root 3. LCM will be root 3. 16 plus 8, that will be 24. So it will be 24 by root 3. We do not write surds in the denominator, so we will rationalize it and write in simplest form. So we multiply by root 3 to the numerator as the denominator. So 24, multiply the numerator by root 3. So it will be 24 up root 3 upon root 3 into root 3, that will be 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, and so which is equal to 8 root 3. So we have got AC as 8 root 3. AC is the total height of the tree and that we have to find. Therefore, the height of a tree is equal to 8 root 3 meter. You can put the value of root 3 as 1.73 and multiply, and you can find the approximate answer. So here the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. So friends, here we have seen two questions. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video.